we are just going to be doing a blunt cut. Nothing fancy. With clippers. Got my model here. Parts needs to be straight. And you're gonna find that people do this different ways. I like to do mine with the part in the middle, so if they wear it parted on the left or the right, it's the same on both sides. So we're gonna take about 6 inches off. And this is the length of her hair. Okay. Yeah. We'll be using the clippers. The head is straight. And you can use the comb as a guide. I like to put the 2 front pieces behind the ears. So if there's a point, like this point here, I'm going to take that off. So what that does when you put it behind the ear, it takes those points off. So when they put it behind the ear, doesn't have that piece to it. Now what you want to do to get the precision, you have the client, aka my daughter, hold her head down, and this is where you get to the satisfying part that you'll get to see. So I'll have her hold her head down. And y'all see all this? And then you do the same thing for the sides. The right side, you just have her tilt her head over to the left and you get those pieces. All right, these are cutting here, so I'm going to use my scissors just to get this little piece. And you don't want layers in it, do you? No. Okay. And she doesn't want layers, so that's good. It's a quick, easy. See this point right here? I don't know if y'all can see it, but see this? I'll take that off. So again, so she wears it parted on the left or the right. It is even. See, this is how it goes. It's the basic blunt cut using the clippers. Now she thinks she's something, guys.
Dang, I like the side. I like the side. Let me see how it looks in the middle.
Just a blunt cut
Yeah, I like this.
with the clippers.
Good. Okay, yeah. I'll wear it in the middle today.
All right, and we're done. Anything you want to say to the camera?
Happy Saturday.
I'll see y'all in the next video.